Good morning, Pips. So today I'll share you my whole day schedule in this vlog. Let's go. I'm in metro right now. I'm I'm going to college by local train from Ghatkopar to Matumba. So finally I have come to college, and this is our college, Guru Nanak Khalsa College. And here's our entry. So let's go in. So as you can see our entry. Whoa. As you can see how beautiful the interior design is. Ignore my camera quality, please. So this is our class. So this is me. Guys, you can't hide your face. Rukmani. And that's Komal. All your devotions start from here, the most peaceful place in our college. As you can see, this is our college Gurdwara, the most peaceful place. So this is our college canteen. As you can see.
छत्रपती शिवाजी महाराज टर्मिनसला जाणारी ही लोकल रद्द करण्यात आली आहे. प्लॅटफॉर्म क्रमांक 3 ते 6:56 छत्रपती